Bethany just to be fucking with Bethany. Only the fuck cause I don't let it get the best of me. But you know, beast on these streets. Look at your massive lips. You don't want to get an attack if you want to start the shit. I pump it quick. I must pump your shit up and make it backwards up your ass. I don't get it. I get it fast. This is my sister. Put it down over there. I don't care, but I think your hair is not real. This shit, I don't know. I come through. I must blow. I'm just fucking with you though, bro. I'm just fucking with you.
Fucking stupid. Fuck you.
You see how you about to say your hair?
He told me that hell times already. Fuck you.
I'm just fucking with you though. Hold on, man.
She know I'm just fucking with you.
I may not know how to freestyle.
Keep going.
You can't talk about my
dancing.
wow.
You don't want to get screwed up in the gutter like, oh my God.
I make it rain on you, huh?
Hold on, let's talk about people we don't like, man.
Okay, let's talk about people we don't like.
Okay, I threw your dollar.
He got him.
How about we freestyle people we don't like? You gonna start it off and get this thing all right.
Okay.
Start it off. Let's kill it, man. Cause every freestyle, not you kill it, man.
You know what I hate?
How you do it?
You know what I hate? I hate square Rubik's Cubes. Dudes that wipe their ass with Q-tips. Cause I'm going hard on this new shit. Bitch, I blew it. Blew it up. I don't give a fuck what you say, cause you know I'm covering massive punk. I move you niggas like speakers on the buck. 15's in my trunk, I slap massive and I let the slaps out. Bitch, I must move mean, class out. I'm the class act, cause I smash out. I take cash, bitch, and I want the cash route. I want it fast, so you know I want it. Look,
You got pockets, dog?
cash out. Cash out.
You got pockets?
Give me the cash, cause you know I'm on my...
Stay right there.
Bro, I don't like it. I come through and fight it. I rewrite it and re-enlighten the shit that you frightened of, cause I murder. I don't give a fuck whatever you deserve to have heard of. I'll murder. Nigga. Okay, look. Stop. Get plastic. I loose it, then I grab it, moves it. Still, and the fucking plastic. You don't want to have it. I spit it like magic. Dudes ain't ready to have it. Look, it's a habit. I leave you jumping like a rabbit. Bitch, come get it out with room and let you niggas take a stab at it. Crack at it, not automatics. Bitch, hit me. I'll put you down, goose. Trucking to hit me. Only give a fuck, couple shots in the ring. Henny. Bitch, I put you down, have me spinning. Bitch, 50, I busted quick, I loved it. Bitch, like McLovin did.